Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to be doing a review on the RetraxPro on the new body style Honda Ridgeline. Now, we're going to do a quick overview of everything it does, and let's take a good look if the camera will stay focused, and you can see how it looks on this vehicle. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can get a good idea how it looks on there. As you can see, it's a very clean look, and the RetraxPro is a nice matching cover to how the Honda looks. It does look like it came from the factory that way. And we're going to go over some of the features and some of the stuff it does. Now, one thing we're going to do on this one is tell you about the warranty. This has a lifetime warranty, which the Retrax one has a 2-year warranty. So it is an upgrade for the Pro. Now it is the MX. MX refers to the matte finish. They no longer make the shiny black finish. And to be honest with you, I love the matte finish. So let's go here and take a look on some of the features here. Basically, this is your locking mechanism. It has a little handle here, and I'll kind of roll it back here. Okay, now what I want you to see is how much space you still have underneath the canister here. Hopefully the camera will focus in there. But now, as you know, Hondas do not have the deepest beds. They're just notoriously a shallow bed. But you do have space underneath here, and that's kind of important. If you stop by Home Depot and you say, you know what, I need to pick up some lumber, you want to make sure the cover does not affect that. So step back so you can get an idea. Now it does leave quite a bit of space in here, and most important thing, you can still use some of the other cool features Honda has. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Now she still opens up, so your second truck is available to now the rails do prevent it going up all the way, but it seems to be a non-factor because you can still access here and put whatever you need in there. Let's go ahead and close that up. Take a look on the side here so we can see how it's mounted inside. Now when they put these on here, it is a double rail system. What does that mean? Well, you have to put a rail in first, and then you attach the cover to that second rail. As drainage system goes, I use the existing factory holes, and I just made it a little bigger and just put the drainage tubes in there. So we take a look here, kind of step back a little bit. Now I'm going to show you a sample of what the manufacturer, how they make it. Now this is here, I don't know if it's good here. This is how that cover is actually made. And this is a sample from the old shiny black, which they no longer make. But as you can see, it's a very well-made design here. It's going to take a lot of weight. It's going to take 500 pounds. So this is what that top is made of. So it's going to take a lot of impacts. Most importantly, you can put things on top if you need to. So it's coming around here, and again, you got your little handle. Now, one thing I want to show you is you can lock this anywhere along the track here. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what my thumb looks like, that's because I actually work on the vehicles, and that was from a gooseneck. I got my thumb here, so a little leftover busted knuckle garage here. So I'm the guy that actually works on these things, so sometimes things don't go as planned and you get hurt, but that's the nature of what I do here. Now, going back to what this does here, it locks anywhere along the track. Now, the benefit is real simple. If you're putting something in there and you want to kind of use this and the tailgate here to kind of hold it in place, you can slide it up there and lock it in place, which is a nice feature. And by the way, it is one of the few companies, if not the only company, that offers that, which I find is a terrific setup if you're traveling. So let's come around here, and I'm gonna go ahead and close it up for you. So let's go and push that. Get your little lever here. Push it back down. Now this is new, by the way. This is basically to keep the elements out of your lock. Water or snow if you live up north. I mean, obviously I'm in Florida, so that will not be a problem down here. Again, this is the Pro, which is the old metal, and this is C&H Auto Accessories. Now, if you like our videos and you like what we're doing here, hit that like button, and please subscribe to our channel. As you know, I mentioned before, this is a family-owned business. C&H stands for Chris and Herman. I'm Chris, and my father is Herman. It's a family business, and we've been doing this for a while, and hopefully we'll continue to do this. Now, if you like this cover and you say, you know what, I want to purchase this, well, you can go right on the bottom of the page, and there'll be a link right to the website. And you can buy it right from our website, and we'll ship it anywhere in the country. We do not charge for shipping on this, which is nice, so you can save a little money. Of course, you can always come to the store and have it installed by us professionally. If we do the installation we did for this guest here, you get 1-year labor guarantee as well as the manufacturer lifetime warranty. So it's a nice setup. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We do appreciate that. And if you have any questions, give us a call at the store. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Have a great day.